Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and this is the card that we are making today. We are using 2 different free celebration stamp sets. Let's get started. Okay, so we'll start with our stamping, and I have a piece of berry vanilla, and this measures 2.5 by 3 3/4. And for the front of the card, we're going to be using lots of lavender. And I have my Memento black ink. And then I'm going to stamp up the lavender flowers in that. And this is mounted on block E. Well, I want a good crisp image. Alright, and this is going to fit really snug. Alright. Next, I'm going to take my Sweet Sugar Plum. This is an in color that is going away at the end of May. I have the flowers right here, and that's mounted on block D. And hopefully I don't get my head in the shot, but I probably will. Alright. And now I have the little bow, and that's mounted on block A, and I have Calypso Coral. And I'm just going to stamp right over the top, just like that. And then I have the light Old Olive, my Stampin' Blend marker. And I'm just going to come in and lightly color the leaves here. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm also going to get the stems down here. Alright. Now I have another piece of berry vanilla, and this measures 4 by 5 1/4. And for this we are using the Happy Wishes, and this is a celebration stamp set as well, and you get 2 in that one. So I'm going to stamp up the Happy and Calypso Coral. And this is mounted on block E. And then I'm going to get the Sweet Sugar Plum and mount Birthday on there. This is mounted on block C. Just like that. Alright, and I have my Calypso Coral sheer ribbon, and I'm just going to put a border on the bottom here. I'm going to put some Scotch tape right here, and I think I'm going to do it twice, just like that. Alright, Now we will put this card together. I have the card base is Sweet Sugar Plum, and this measures 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of Calypso Coral, and that is 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm just going to put this down with some snail adhesive. Just like that. And then I have a piece from the Petals and More, I believe. I'll double check that for you and put it on the screen. And this measures 2 by 5 1/4, or by 5.5. And then I want it off to the side, like that. And then I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And then put that off to the side as well. And then I will mount the inside of our card. Alright, so there you have it, another birthday card using 2 free celebration stamp sets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye!